to my channel. So today I'm so happy because my package arrived today. Siya yarn! Dalagang Pilipino yarn. So, before we left home, I saw this in front of our door. And I was so happy. I was thinking not going to work, but then I need to go to work because I need to earn money. But yeah, I did say a lot of stuff, but okay, I'm gonna finish it here and I'll show you later the unboxing and the try on. Thank you. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been a long time. I know it's been, I think the first video that I okay. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's been a while and this will be my official first video in my vlog. I hope you watch it. So as you can see on the title, I'm unboxing SHEIN and we're gonna do a huge try on from SHEIN. Okay, just to let you guys know, this is our first time ordering from SHEIN and this box contains 35 items. And when I saw the price, I was hesitating to do it or pay for it because it's a little bit too much for clothes. It's too much for clothes, but okay. Yeah. And I didn't expect that I would pay import tax. We open it, and after we open, we're gonna show how we try all of our clothes. Okay, let's go. Hi guys! We're back! So, hindi na kami nakatest. Oh. Bakit ako nagtagalog? Anyways, we already opened this packet hat. It's so pretty. Look at the... Oh my! Hi guys, so I'm back. So, what I'm gonna do today, right now, so I'm gonna try this stuff that I bought. I'm gonna try first try the jeans first because I was not sure about this one. So, let's go.
One eternity later.
Oh, hi guys. So as you can see, this is the jeans. Sorry, it's kind of messy. It's kind of messy. You can see. It fits me very well. It's just it's kind of long. But overall. Hi guys, so I just finished that one, and my next one is this one. So let's try it out. Hi guys, so this is it. Look, it's so cute. I love it. Look at that. I love high waist, and it fits. It's not loose. It's not tight. So pretty. Hi guys, so this one now. We're gonna try it. Let's go. So hi guys, ta-da! It's so cute. See, it's just a little bit loose for me. Just probably an inch, but I think it's all good. Ta-da! It's so cute. Twinning. So let's go. So guys, we forgot to show you what we're gonna wear, but this is it. This is the next one. Look, it's so pretty. Pretty yarn. Look at the back. Knox? Wait, hindi ba binukunahan yung sa kabilang ano mo? Tada with hat. Let's go! Hi guys, look at look. This one is also it's me again. So as you guys saw, that's the clothes that I bought from SHEIN, and it's all so far so good. I mean, I don't have to return anything because it's all like the size is good for me. One of my favorite, actually all of it is my favorite. It's so pretty, it's so good, I can't say anything about it. And so the next ones is the things that I haven't opened yet. So I have here two cute tiny bags, a Virgo pendant, but necklace, and this one is a tie because I was tying my hair every time. Let's open the hair tie first. Just put it on
One eternity later.
By the way, guys, I don't know why did I bought this. I bought this one because school year is already gonna start on September, so I bought a spoon and fork. And earrings. You know, guys, how I love earrings. Earrings is the life. Look at that one. All of it is so pretty, sparkly. I love it. And earrings again. This is one of my favorite that I saw in there. Ooh. Ta-da! And ta-da! Look at that one. It's a heart band. This is the rings. Let me try it. All of this one. I don't know if I put it on the proper ring finger, but so the black tiny bag. This is so adorable. That's why I was like, No, I had to get this one because it was so cute. Open. Ta-da! This one is big. Ta-da! Ta-da! And there's a handle in here. I think that is all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. If you're looking for a new content or something, you can comment down your suggestions below or whatever thing you want me to do, because I don't know what to do next after this one. But I will try to think of a new content that I can still post. So, but I really enjoy this one. This is, I think, one of the best videos that I will make or what I did, because I was so happy because all of this stuff I bought it from my own money because I was working last month and I was so proud of it. I'm just so happy. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope I see you all on my next video, which is I don't know yet, but I hope to see you guys soon again. Yeah, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon. Goodbye. I love y'all.